So in today's video, let's continue to discuss some words of scholars. So I start with the word laconic. That's L-A-C-O-N-I-C. And laconic means using few words, especially in the context of speech or writing. The next word I have is jejune. J-E-J-U-N-E. And jejune means naive, simplistic, and superficial. So let's create a sentence with jejune and laconic. The jejune banter of the new UG student regarding the university and research facilities was met with laconic replies by the PhD students in the lab. The next word I have is Pandit. P-U-N-D-I-T, and Pandit is an expert in a particular subject. So this word is borrowed from the Sanskrit language, and essentially Pandits used to be and still are the people who run the temples and who study the scholarly literature. And these Pandits have now transformed themselves into different subjects. The next word I have is froward. F-R-O-W-A-R-D, froward. And froward is somebody who is difficult to deal with. So let's create a sentence with Pandit and froward. Though Dr. Ramesh was a Pandit of physics, he was a froward person in his professional and personal life. So this is often the case. The next word I have is charlatan. C-H-A-R-L-A-T-A-N. And charlatan is a person falsely claiming to have a special knowledge or skill. One more word I have is peccadillo. P-E-C-C-A-D-I-L-L-O, and peccadillo is a relatively minor sin or fault. So let's create a sentence with charlatan and peccadillo. John began to realize that Chen was a charlatan due to his numerous peccadillos in the research labs while performing experiments. The next word I have is splenetic. S-P-L-E-N-E-T-I-C, splenetic. And splenetic means bad-tempered or spiteful. One more word I have is felonious. F-E-L-O-N-I-O-U-S, felonious. And felonious basically means relating to or involved in crime. So let's create a sentence with splenetic and felonious. Though Dr. Wang was a splenetic person, few thought that he would be capable of the felonious conduct of murdering his colleague. Fortunately, such situations are rare. The next word I have is lecherous, and that's L-E-C-H-E-R-O-U-S, lecherous. And lecherous means showing excessive sexual desire in an offensive manner. So let's create a sentence with lecherous. Dr. Smith's lecherous conduct made Jane realize that she needed to file a complaint with the department chairman. The next word I have is ephemeral. E-P-H-E-M-E-R-A-L. And this word means lasting for a short time or fleeting. So a very nice word to communicate the transient nature of situations. So let's create a sentence with this word. Life is a collection of ephemeral experiences followed by death. So this is sometimes the case, and people should make maximum use of the time they have while they are living. So these were 10 words I had for you, and I hope they will help you in enhancing your vocabulary. Please stay tuned to my channel for more videos on such topics. Thank you very much.